Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a really quick video. My husband is about to make some salsa because there is a game coming up and we got this new blender, so I thought why not share it with you. You might like it. Thank you.
Alright, just a quick review. I saw this the first time from one of the chefs who was doing this presentation. But what I saw was the 7 tools in one. It's a bit different, but I found a cheap one on Amazon, so I figured I'm going just to give it a try. Again, we got a game coming up right now, so I want to make some salsa. So anyway, supposed to have 7 stuff in it. Let's open and see. Alright, so okay. Alright, so everything's out. Obviously, as you can see, we got the slice, julienne, shred, whip, chop, separate, safety handle. I don't know what it is. I think it's a little juicer thing. And the big juicer. So here we go. Alright, so we have the slicer, different types of slicer. We got the whip right here. Alright, so we're gonna put our tools together so we can make a salsa. Obviously, we're trying to make some salsa here. Good to go. So we just need the blade, the safety cover, that's it, it locks in place, that's it, put the salsa in, we're good. So now we're going to get the tomatoes and everything to make the salsa. I'm just going to get this tomato very quick, cut it in 4 pieces, make it simple, yeah, right there. Alright, natural, organic.
Also, we forgot to mention that this blender does not need to be plugged in, so no electricity. All you have to do, just put all your ingredients in and start spinning. That's it. Okay, so let's try this. It's really good. Really good. So guys, if you like it, if you like salsa, try it. Leave some comment down and to let us know how you did it. And of course you can add some habanero, hot sauce, anything you want spicy. It's really good. Thank you.